everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the glass photo panel with LED base. The glass photo panel is a product in the sublimation market for a long time. You might hear about it before, but today's photo panel is added a LED base, which means you can see it at night, like this. You can also put it in your bedroom or living room as a night light. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must to have a template before you start design. The template of photo panel is a normal rectangle shape, which is larger than its actual size, around 2 to 3 millimeters. But we still want to share some tips for you on design. First, if you want to do a portrait design, you need to pay attention on not putting the image too close to the top and the bottom, especially for the bottom. You need to leave some space to avoid it covered by the LED base. Second, if you want to put some words on your design, it is better for you to put it on the upper part. As you can see, you put it on the lower part may be covered by the LED base. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave a message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable!